Hello parents, Strategy teacher here. This is like Thanksgiving break starting. Everybody's like really going to enjoy. I think this week most of you go to your kids' progress report also. A progress report can tell you a lot of things, right? But overall, I'm hearing kids are getting really bored at school. They feel like something not worth it doing, or putting the blame on those things and not doing work. I'm bored, this is not relevant, when are we going to use this in her real world, things like that, right? So this one I carefully created, this one with my 20 years of experience. Connection, character, concentration, these are the three things basically what the life skills we need with the kids. Self connection also, self connecting, like they need to identify what they really want to do with their life, a passion. I'll show you some books also with this, okay? A passion for life, the passion for living, a purpose for living, things like that. Connecting themselves, connecting with their parents, connecting with their tutors, teachers, connecting with their relatives. Then the character is really important, not living with an attitude, a nice character. Be on time, be prepared with the materials, have like a good mindset to learn. We will say all that as under character. Then if you have these two, you can concentrate in any classes. That's the next step, concentration. Once you have this basic three characters, you can go to any good instructor or a good even from a video you can learn things. There you will expand your comprehension skill, critical thinking skills, and communication skill. That is the next step. So without these three things, you cannot do these three things. Think about it. Think about your child. Stop, pause the video and think about your child on this situation, where they are. This is what my growth mindset training workshop going to look like. I used to do this before as aspiring mindset. Now I changed the name to growth mindset because that's exactly what we are doing. See, once you have this comprehension, critical thinking, and communication skills, once you have communication, you will become really curious, creative, and we need compassionate. I left the word confidence from here because the confidence is coming with this, all this together is, you can see like a confident child, self-organized growth mindset champions. So that is what we are trying to do with our growth mindset workshop. So I can identify your child where they are. Now, let's say we are identifying them as the comprehension level here. How to improve on critical thinking skills? That is where the Olympiad classes, all those things will come in. How to improve their communication skill? That is where speech and debate classes falls in. Comprehension is under our writing classes, like our Singapore math and all. These basic skills, we really need to work with the child with the basic materials from the class, school. Once their communication, once their speech and debate is cool, we are like a curious children. We need to learn a lot of things about the world itself. There we can make them the creative kids. They are going to create something to help the world. Then that's how they just go from there. They can learn anything. So I can just show you a couple of books also here. Out of that I can see here I am putting some books. They really would. So as parents, it is always good to read these books. Creative Schools, Elements, Then Ikigai for Twin. This is one book you should buy for the kids. You should. This is your Thanksgiving gift for your child. Try it out and ask them to read it. So this book, we will be going over this book during our workshop also. Finding your reason for being. Okay, so see you in the next video. I'll try to put a series of 21 videos. That's my plan. Bye-bye.